If you want to embed a game on itch.io, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to do it step by step. This is perfect if you've built a browser game and want players to launch it directly inside the itch.io page instead of downloading a file first. It makes your project feel more polished, more professional, and much easier for people to try instantly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and game publishing guides. All right, let's jump in. First, go to itch.io and log into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to your project area and click Create or Edit your project. This is where you'll manage the settings for the game you want to publish. Now, when you're preparing your game build, make sure your game is packaged as a zip file. That zip file needs to contain the full web version of your game, not just individual loose files. This is important because itch.io expects the browser build to be uploaded in a specific way for it to run properly online. Inside that zip file, make sure you have an Index.Html file at the root level. That file is usually the main entry point of your game, and itch.io uses it to know what should load first when someone opens your project in the browser. If the index file is missing, the game may not launch correctly. Next, on the upload screen in itch.io, tick the option that says, "This file will be played in the browser." This is the key setting that tells itch.io your game is not just a downloadable file, but a playable web game. If you skip this step, your project may only appear as a download instead of embedding properly. After that, select HTML as the file type. Choosing HTML helps itch.io recognize the build as a browser-based game and handle it the right way. If you are exporting from a game engine like Construct, Godot, or another HTML5 compatible platform, this is usually the correct option. Once everything is set, click Save. That final step uploads the configuration and applies the browser playable settings to your project. After saving, your game should be available in an embedded format on your itch.io page, allowing visitors to play it directly in their browser. If something doesn't work right away, double-check your zip file structure, make sure Index.Html is included, and confirm that the browser playable box is enabled. Those are the most common issues when a game refuses to embed correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed a game in itch.io the right way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.